For those who might be ordering cards this holiday season, I wanted to walk you through a quick tutorial to show you how you can do that directly from your gallery. So when you get your photo gallery, it'll look something like this. You want to find a picture you want on your card, and when you do that, you'll see this little shopping bag icon. You can click on that and navigate to a menu of printed products to choose from. In this case, we want holiday cards. And you can customize your options, like the envelope, whether you want it printed, your paper type for the card, and you can change these later, so there's no pressure. And we chose a landscape orientation picture, so I'm going to go to that menu and see all those options. There's so many pretty ones. I like this one, so we'll start creating this. And you can see your whole gallery comes up again, so you can change your mind about which picture you want to start with. We're going to add this one, and you can crop it and scale it to fit just right. Looks good. Okay. And here you can change the foil if you want, or take it off altogether. I like that design, and you can change the color if you want to. And here you can change the shape of the card. That looks good. Okay, and now you can edit the back. And here you can change the color of the background. You can change the layout of the pictures. I want lots of pictures, so I'm going to go with this one. And again, you can crop and scale to fit the way you want it to. Lots of good choices here. And we need one more. Okay, looks good. And now you can change the font, the size, the color, the text. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Here you can change the paper type if you want to. Oh, but I forgot to customize the envelope, so let's do that. You can change the color. You can decide you want to have it printed to save you a step later. And when you're done with that, you can save to your cart. And they are sold in packages of 25, so you may want to increase your quantity there so you have enough cards. And you also have the opportunity to shop other printed products. And when you've made your selections, that's it.